Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, Up and Down. So we know I get asked all the time, where do you get your ideas from? Well, look at this silver birch in the garden here. And what have we got here? A silver birch. There you go, couldn't be more obvious than that. But the idea behind the actual piece comes from when I was in Oregon, in Eugene, USA, with my friends Paul and Jane Krause. And Paul's a twitcher, and we were looking out the window and there was a nuthatch, the American nuthatch, of course, a bit different to ours. Anyway, he was going up and down the tree, hanging upside down, feeding on the tree, the nuthatch, not Paul. And he explained this to me, and I was very amused by this. I thought it's great, a great thing to witness. And then, of course, when I got home, it reminded me of our lesser spotted woodpecker, this one, who doesn't do that. So this piece is about the contrast between him going down and him staying up. It's called Up and Down, and I think the accompanying verse perfectly illustrates the idea behind it. It goes like this: up and down, they don't flounder, they don't flirch, as they feed on this silver birch. Never a cross word, seldom a frown, as one goes up and one goes down.